brave. The water spout dissipated, though, so it wasn't too bad in the end, but still quite a shock for people out there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I've covered so many of these, and they're difficult to detect on the radar because they're so low on the ground. The radar beam sometimes overshoots them, and they're not typically associated, guys, with severe weather. It's just cumulus clouds that roll in, and this was what the radar looked like between 12:30 and 1 o'clock when we first got the report of a waterspout that was offshore. That same waterspout, of course, came in, and that's when they triggered the tornado warning. This typically don't move too far inland. They lose their ability to continue to spin here once they touch the ground. We also had another one up towards Deerfield Beach, so quite an active day with waterspouts today. This is the same report again. It hung out there for like 15 minutes and then decided, yeah, let me go visit the beachgoers here. Gave everybody a scare, and then Deerfield Beach, that was up at 9:38. Those are not the most dangerous ones. This is what certainly a radar can detect, those supercells that develop inland. If you have a severe thunderstorm that drops a tornado on the ground and then moves to the water, that is a tornado over water, and those can be just very dangerous and also cause extreme damage. We had the opposite today. Fair weather, if you will, forms over water. That is fair weather waterspouts. You can kind of see a ring that begins to develop. The difference is this goes from the water up and connects to the cloud. If you've ever seen one forming, this is a whole different deal there. So yeah, we get hundreds of them throughout the year. It's just Chopper 4 was right there in the perfect spot. All right, 77 right now as we get you into the weekend here. Pretty quiet on Next Radar Network. It is going to be a hot weekend. The reason for that east wind that brought us those showers and the waterspouts, well, that's going to shift now. We're getting a south wind that is going to get us into some really hot temperatures here for Saturday and Sunday as well. Anytime you get a front approaching, that's the hottest time because the southwest wind is going to cook us here by the afternoon. We're looking at upper 80s. It'll feel like about 92 in the afternoon, but we will cool off with some summer-like thunderstorms. That's the pattern we're going to be in, and that is for Saturday and Sunday. We do have cooler temperatures only because of a wind shift. Northeast winds behind the front, but we're still going to hang on to storms for both Monday, Tuesday, and heading into the middle part of next week. So let's roll this and show you what's going to be happening for the next few days. There it is, 2 o'clock. So before 2, you're good. Between 2 and 5 o'clock, that's when things start bubbling up here with showers and storms, and then everything pushes to the east, and that'll be the case as well as we head into Sunday. Looking good. No alerts on the waters, and for the beachgoers, we are just looking at moderate risk for rip currents. I'll leave you here with the 7-day forecast. Hope you have a fabulous weekend. Temperatures holding into the upper 80s, and then that cool down, but still stormy next week. CBS News Miami continues next.